If you just open the Photos app on an iPhone and open any photo, here you can tap on eye icon and view information regarding this photo. Here you can see the date the photo was taken along with the camera lenses information, and also there is the photo size, which is 1.4 MB. But there are instances when you need to reduce the file size of any photo on iPhone. So how do you reduce photo file size on iPhone? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to reduce the file size of any picture on iPhone. In order to reduce the photo file size for any image on iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all open the Photos app and open the photo for which you want to reduce the file size. Next, you have to tap on the share icon, and here you get multiple sharing options. You have to simply scroll a bit and then select the option that is Save to Files, and when you select that, this will provide you the option to select the location where you want to save the photo. Here we have to save this inside the Files app, so you can choose any of the location depending upon your preference. Here I'll select on my iPhone, and after that simply tap on Save so that this image will be saved inside the Files app on my iPhone. Next, I'll simply go to Files app, and here you can see inside the On My iPhone location, there is the image that we just transferred from Photos app to the Files app. So once you have transferred the photo inside the Files app on your iPhone or iPad, next we are ready to reduce the file size on iPhone. Here, in order to reduce the photo file size, we have to simply long press on the photo, and after that, here you get multiple options, and among these you have to simply scroll a bit and select the option that is Quick Actions. If you tap on Quick Actions, this will provide further more actions to select. So you have to just select the option that is Convert Image, and after that you get the option for selecting the file format for conversion of the image file. Here I'll select JPEG, and after that it will further ask the image size whether you want to keep it small, medium, large or original. If you select the option that is original, that will simply keep the image size intact without changing the original size. So you don't have to select the original. Instead, you may select either small or medium so that the file size will be reduced. So depending upon the size you want, you may select either small or medium. I'll go with small, and after that the file will be converted and saved inside the On My iPhone location. So now the photo file has been converted into a different format and different size as well. If I just show you that, here you can see the image small has been saved here and the size is just 16 KB while the original image had 1.4 MB. So this way you may reduce the file size of any photo on iPhone or Android. I hope you found this video helpful, and by the way, if you want to learn how to create PDF from image on iPhone or iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.